Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing lesson 2, debugging. So our learning target is I will learn how to find errors in code and fix them. So what exactly is debugging? Debugging is finding and fixing errors in a program. So most of the time you're not going to, perfectly get everything right when you're coding. You're going to make mistakes, and there's going to be times when your code just doesn't work and doesn't do what you want it to do. So when there's an error, it's called a bug. And so getting rid of those bugs is called debugging. So debugging is basically just finding and fixing all those problems or the glitches or the bugs in your program. So how do you know when a program has a bug? So a program most likely has a bug or an error if it does not successfully complete its tasks. So maybe you were supposed to reach a certain point in a game and you couldn't get there. Or maybe you were doing the artist program and it didn't draw the right shape. So you can most likely tell it's usually pretty obvious because you can see that it doesn't work right. And then you have to go and look through your code and you have to find the error. So let's go to code.org. So we're still in the Express course and we're going to be going to lesson 4, debugging at scratch. So it says this code isn't quite right. Fix the code to help Scratch get to the acorn. So let's run and see how it works. So it looks like he didn't reach the acorn. So we have 2 move forward blocks, but it looks like we need 1 more. So we can step forward 1 more time. Let's try it again. Perfect. Let's go on to the next puzzle. So it says use your debugging skills to get Scratch to the acorn. So let's see what happens. Looks like he fell off. This time, we're going to try using the step button. The step button brings you through each line of your code step by step. So the first line of code is good, move forward. But the second line, it looks like he turned the wrong way. Let's try taking that out of there. Let's try again. That's good. Move forward again. Oh no. So it looks like we don't need that extra move forward block. And instead, we're going to need the turn right. That's good. Now we need to go 2 more spaces to get to the acorn. So I'm going to add 2 more move forward blocks. Let's try now. A lot of times it helps to use the step button just like we did, so you can go through each line and you can see exactly what's wrong. Because sometimes it can be hard to find the mistake, and so that really helps you to go through each line and find it. Okay, so let's go through this one step by step again. So that looks good, move forward. But then, if we go again, it looks like that's totally wrong. So, we should take out those move forward blocks. Let's try it again. So for this puzzle, it looks like the directions are going to be wrong. So let's go through step by step again. So move forward, that's good. And then turn right. But it looks like he's facing the wrong direction. It looks like we probably have to turn left. So if you just use this drop down arrow and select left, it will change the direction. Good. Good. And then move forward again. Turn right. And we got to the acorn. Let's try one more puzzle. So debug this level by rearranging and changing blocks. These gray blocks are locked and cannot be deleted. So we know that we definitely need the gray ones. So the only ones that we can change or switch out are the blue ones. So let's see. Oh no, it looks like we have to add a turn here. So we're going to move this apart and add a right turn. That looks good. But it looks like we've added too many move forwards. So we're going to take these out. Let's see where this gets us. Oh no, it looks like we've turned the wrong way. So we're going to add a left turn instead. I don't think we... Oh no, I can't move that one out, so we'll see. So now we've turned left. But looks like we're not there yet. So we're gonna need to move forward. Oh no, I have too many blocks out. I know. Since I need to use this move forward block, and it only lets me use so many, try to use this repeat block. So I'll put this right here. But I'm not there yet. So I'm going to repeat this. That won't let me. Let's see. So as you see, I'm really making use of the repeat block, so I have enough blocks to use. Because this puzzle is really picky about how many you use. So now I've added the repeats. We'll see how this works. So I know that puzzle was a little confusing, and I apologize. But that's a great example of having to make use of the code that they give you. Because a lot of times they have a limit to how many blocks you can use. But that's okay. It's meant to challenge you and really get you thinking of how you can successfully complete the puzzle. So I encourage you to keep doing the debugging puzzles and finish them. And anyway, thanks for watching, and check back soon for our next video, lesson 3.